Hello, first graders. Welcome to today's math lesson. Our learning target for today is I can add numbers with regrouping. The materials you're going to need are what we've used earlier this week. You're going to need your place value board, some place value counters, that's these ones. If you don't have these, you can use ones you've made or your dry erase marker. Your dry erase marker and your sheet protector are the last things that you'll need for today. All right, before we begin, I'm going to introduce a word to you. It's a word we've used before, and some of you might even know it, but we're going to make sure we know before we begin our lesson. Today's vocabulary word is regroup. Can you say that with me? Regroup. Re means we're going to do something again. Group means we're going to put them together. In math, when you regroup, we are going to trade 10 ones for 1 10 to regroup. So what that means is today as we add, we're going to see that we're going to get more than 10 over on our one side. And we haven't had that yet. We can't have 10 or more on our one side because we know once you have a set of 10, then it belongs over here on the 10 side. So today we're going to add this extra step of regroup. If we have 10 or more on this side, we're going to have to make groups of 10 and put them on the 10 side. And that's called regroup. Today we're going to make another place value board. This one is a little different than the ones we've made earlier this week and last week because I'm only going to put my place value space where I'm going to build over on this side. So instead of putting my line down the middle, I'm going to put my line down over here. Sort of set off to the right side of my paper. But I'm still going to label it tens and ones. Also, I'm going to put about halfway through, just kind of like a little dashed line in my workspace. I'm leaving this side over here for where I'm going to be writing our numbers and our problem. So if you want to build your place value board that looks like this one, that would be great. Stop your camera here. And get yourself ready and come on right back when you have everything you need. Okay, so today we are going to begin. I'm going to walk you through the steps as we build and represent our addition problems with regrouping. So our first problem is Fox has 14 green peppers. Bear has 27 green peppers. How many green peppers in all? All right. Step 1. Build it and add the ones. Fox has 14 green peppers. Bear has 27 green peppers. Step 1, build it and add the ones. So let me get my place value my blocks. I'm going to build the number 14 first. I'm going to build it up here. I know 14 is one set of 10 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number that I'm building down here, 27. So I'm building the number 27, 10, 20, and I need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, step 1. Build it. Add the ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to be adding my ones first. I have 4 ones right here. Here's the 4 that represents 4 ones. I have 7 ones here. 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is push these all together and find out how many ones I have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. This, oops, I'm going on to step 2. Step 2, regroup the ones. This is a group of 10. I can't have all these ones over here on my one side of the place value board. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take these 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I'm going to regroup. Instead of having 10 ones, I'm going to make that my set of 10. But we know we can't have this set of 10 on this side of the board. Step 3, move the 10 to the 10 side. Okay. That's an easy step. Step 4, add the 10, check the ones. So I have 1 left over on my one side. Add the 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sets of 10. 4 sets of 10. All right. Families, if you're listening and watching during this video, the standards for first grade are to model and represent and understand regrouping. We're not going to really be showing regrouping as carrying the 1. If your student is ready for that, you can demonstrate that, but our classroom demonstrations are going to be modeling and having really concrete examples of regrouping. All right. Now I want you to do this next one with me. We'll go slow together and get your place value counters ready, and we are going to do this together. Green frog has 12 flies. Red frog has 19 flies. How many flies do they have in all? So we're going to build it and add the ones. Let's just write our numbers that we're using. Green frog has 12 flies. Red frog has 19 flies. How many flies do they have all together? Let's build it. You build it. Build the 12. 1 set of 10 and 2 ones. Build the 19. One set of 10 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Step 2. Look at the ones. Regroup 10 ones. So we're going to add the ones together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Here's my group of 10. Step 3. Move the 10s to the 10 side. So this is where I regroup. Those 10s I trade for a set of 10, and I move the 10 to the 10 side. Now we add the 10s and check the ones. I have just one 1 left over here. I add the 10s. 1, 2, 3 sets of 10. So, how many flies did they have? 12 plus 19 is 31 flies. Can you draw a fly? That looks more like a butterfly. Okay. Let's do one more together. Gary had 28 toys. He goes to the store and buys 22 more toys. How many toys does he have now? Okay. What was step 1? Build it and add the ones. The numbers we need. Gary had 28 toys. He buys 22 more toys. How many toys does he have now? This is what we're trying to figure out. Go ahead and build it on your place value chart. 28, build it here. 22, build it here. Step 2, regroup the ones. Means we're going to add the ones together and trade a set of ones for a 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have a set of 10, so I'm going to regroup. These ones are going to leave, and there's my set of 10. Step 3, move the 10s to the 10 side. Step 4, add the 10s and check the 1s. I don't have any 1s left over after I made that group of 10. 0 1s, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 10. So 22 plus 28 equals 50. He had 50 toys. All right. Today, attached to this lesson are some additional problems for you to build and solve. Make sure you're using your base 10 counters, making your groups of 10, and trading 10 counters for a set of 10. Have fun, happy math, and I'll see you again tomorrow.